Deploy robot. Sentinel. Pew, pew, the Floyd flagship. Capture the flag. Easy. We'll just have to destroy that tiny little flag. Yes, we're winning. We're winning. We're winning. We're winning. Yeah, dooch, 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 dooch. It wouldn't stop to win. You didn't win. Use my giant laser gun. Actually, there's a ship. Send it near our ship. We will deploy. Where is their Lego ship we need to destroy? What do I do? 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 I don't know. He has a giant laser ship. We need to capture it quick. Oh, our laser gun. Our laser gun, sweet. It wasn't sweet enough.